Hello guys, welcome back to the All Marketing channel. My name is Alex and my channel is all about how to make money online. Now, recently I've been doing more work on affiliate marketing, but in this video tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you guys the Fortrade platform. Now, this is a demo account. I have had a live trading account with Fortrade before, but because I wasn't really doing much trading at the time, I decided to withdraw all my assets from there and shut the account down for now. I obviously kept my demo account, which I still have now, and I recently just looked into doing a bit more work with Fortrade. So I'm an affiliate for Fortrade as well, so this is another reason why I am now looking back into my demo account. Now, the reason for this whole video is because I am by no means a trading expert. I've got no career background in trading. I don't never done any type of online trading before, in the big market across the world. But I know it's highly lucrative if you can tap into it and if you can find a way to get yourself in that market and make a profit from it. So what I decided to do was go back onto my demo account literally just a few days ago and place a couple of trades. Now, the reason I know how to place these trades is because Fortrade will actually assign you an account manager when you open up one of these demo accounts. And what that means is they will contact you via phone and they will assist you. They will basically teach you how to trade. They will teach you what the whole platform. They will basically give you an overview of the platform. And then each week they will make, or in your time when you're free, when you're available to take the call, the account manager will then call you and they will teach you all the basics of trading, what margins are, available margin, used margin, what your profit and losses are, how to place a trade, how to change all of these, what's in, what's not. And you can also basically get notifications for trades and stuff. And if you just have a look at the trades that I've got running at the moment, this one's now it was running at a loss, but it's now running in a profit. And this one is obviously in a huge profit at the moment. So I did mess around with this account a little bit, just to test it, just to see, making stupid trades really without really taking much care about what I was doing. And I did lose £5,000 of my account credit. Now, it's not real money. It's given to you by Fortrade. It's a demo account. They start you off with 10,000, and what the idea is you're to practice on this account, let your account manager teach you how to comfortably make trades, become a profitable trader on your demo account. And then when you get to that stage, you can then invest as little as just £100 or $100, depending on where you are. I'm not sure. I'm based in the UK, and I know they have a UK branch. I'm not sure if they've got any others around the world. I'm sure they do. I will look into that though for you guys when I make my next video on how to use Fortrade. But the idea of this video is just to show people, if you haven't got time to set up like a business, an email marketing business or an affiliate marketing business, or you just haven't got time for doing marketing out online, this is something that you're not going to get rich quick overnight. But if you're looking to try something new, and in your spare time, we all waste time watching films, playing games, talking on the phone, scrolling on social media. And if you were to take a couple hours of your week every week just to dedicate it to learning something new, this would definitely be something worth looking into. So I like oil, and I like obviously gold, and hard metals, and I have been doing a little bit of work on other platforms with crypto, because I just believe digital assets are really coming up now, and they have been for a long time. And eventually, I think it's going to be it kind of already is a legitimate currency, and more and more people are getting into digital assets. So it's something I focused my time on. But now I'm really looking at getting back into currency trading and dealing with commodities and stocks. And they have more, or I would say more for long-term investments. So when you, like, say for instance, if you're looking to create an online business as a sole trader, this is definitely a good way to go about it, because you essentially you invest some money, and then you can gain high profits, and you are a business because you're trading, you're selling stocks, or you're selling shares of stocks, or it's a business. It's still a means of making money online, and you still have to run all your earnings through the tax office. So it still works the same way as any other real business. Really, you still have to declare your earnings through this type of work. So just take that into consideration. So as you can see, I'm already running at a profit. I could just take those out. What I will do is I will probably put a stop to some of these losing trades at the moment. There's a couple that I think I could leave for a little while longer. I'm going to shut this trade here. Let's close this trade. And then I'll show you guys how to basically place a trade. Pretty straightforward, depending on what you want to trade. I'll just show you what the favorites are. If you just go onto this, so you've got this part here, which is your popular gainers, losers, A to Z, Z to A, and all. If I just show you the different types of trades you can actually do. So look, these are the ones I mostly focus on. So you've got like currency, gold, crude oil, and obviously more currency. And I have obviously done trades with Apple, but there are others that you can do. If you just go onto the menu, you should be able to. Let's have a look. Right, so you can obviously switch your real account. I want to just have a look for other trades. I do apologise about the speed of the internet. For some reason, I might have to install some new video editing software, because my one seems to be a little bit slow. Could be a bug. So just bear with me, please, guys. But the idea is this: as you can see here, equity's gone up to over 11,000. So the account is as what you would consider currently running in a profit or at a profit. So realistically, what I would want to do is probably close all these trades down, and for me, I would place more, or leave ones that, if do your research. I mean, with this trading, it's definitely something that's all about learning. You've got to learn. You've really got to pay attention. Take your time with it. Don't rush into it. Don't just presume to think you can jump on and trade in any currency and make hundreds of thousands of dollars or pounds. It's not gonna happen. So what you need to do is you just need to be very patient and vigilant, and you just need to practice, really. And that's how I did it. I just took my time. I watched a lot of videos. I've done a lot of research. I went to a lot of webinars, and over time I learned how to be able to place a trade and make a profit from it. And see, I did play, like I said, I played around with my account. I let it, I lost like £5,000. I think I got to just under 5,000, and I come in and I place a couple of good trades. I apologise, my software seems to have gone off, so I'll just wait a sec and reload it. But as you can see, you understand what I'm going to do for my subscribers and anyone out there that watches this video. I am going to leave a link to the Fortrade platform, so that if anyone is interested in learning how to trade correctly. I'm definitely not the guy to teach you this. All I'm trying to do here is show you that there is a way that you can learn how to trade on the market, and in the UK, that's how I did it, and I'm almost certain it's probably all around the world, and because the market essentially deals with products and currencies from all over the world. So Fortrade is definitely something worth checking out, guys. If you need any more information on them, they also do an affiliate program as well. So let's say, for instance, you join their demo account, you can then apply for their affiliate program. And if you're also, say for instance, you're becoming a trader, like I did have a live account and I did make a few trades and I did win those trades, but I just withdrew my assets because I wasn't ready to delve into it deeper. I had a lot of stuff going on with my marketing business and my email marketing business, and obviously I'm now doing content creating, which is why I wanted to create a video all dedicated to Fortrade, just to show those guys, give those guys a little bit of credit for their platform and for the way they're trying to market their business, because they are teaching normal everyday people like you and me how to become profitable traders without having to go to college and do years of studying. It's basically hands-on learning through the demo account, and then they start you off small, because the idea is for them to make money, you need to make money. So it's in their interest to make sure that your money is handled correctly and you're making profitable trades, so that you're not losing money and end up owing the broker lots of money. That isn't to say that you shouldn't be very careful and can always listen to your account manager, and definitely when you're dealing with the market, it can be very volatile and a lot of people do lose a lot of money. But if you can be patient, take your time, learn the structure of the market, there are many courses out there that are helping normal everyday people earn a lot of money from this. One of them I'm actually partnered with is called the 20-minute trade. The 20-minute trader, and what that is it's a online course that's been designed solely to help beginners like you and me learn how to trade. And what I'm going to do is, I'm probably, after I post this video, I'm going to upload one of their digital assets that they actually sent me to market out, and I will load that up to my YouTube channel and all my social media channels, so that you guys can check out the 20-minute trader. And what that does is that basically looks for a formation in these bars here that's like a J shape, and when it gets there, it gets in and it gets out. It's not here, but I will leave the video up for you guys to see. But yeah, like I said, look, everything's running at a profit. So if we just go through here and just check what's going on, I mean, for someone that isn't a trader or doesn't have a single clue about trading, a lot of this wouldn't make sense. But once you've been using the demo account for a little while, this all will make a lot of sense. So we're gonna close all these trades. Yeah, we're gonna take the profit of that trade. We're gonna leave that one running for a minute. I'm gonna close this because it's at a loss. I don't want to lose any more money. I don't like losing. We're gonna leave the JP Morgan running for a moment. The Brent oil will leave. Oh no, we'll shut the oil. We don't want to lose. If you're like me, and even if it isn't real money, you still don't want to be losing it. You can treat this like as though it's like a video game, like you're just practicing to learn. Now, obviously, I'm doing this. I'm closing all the trades, but essentially, you don't want to be doing that. The longer you leave a trade, the longer, the more money you can make. But it also you can lose, and you can be on a downhill spiral and lose all your money. But obviously we've just closed all those off, so I'll show you guys how to place a trade. So let's say we want to buy gold, and you can change this number here. We'll put gold units say 200. 200. A lot of the time you want to be using, when you're very new to trading, you want to be using your stop losses and your take profits. You want to be setting those correctly, but that's another thing that you would go over with your account manager. Now I'll just come away and leave that running for a minute, and go from there, and I'll come back and check it in a few days. So that about wraps it up, guys. Thanks for tuning in.